Hello everyone, this is GameFrost, and today's video is a simple tutorial video of how to disable your watermark in KineMaster. Now I know people are wondering when people are using Lucky Patcher or download modded APKs, most of the stuff doesn't work, and it's actually true. I remember when I did try modded APKs, KineMaster didn't work at all, and when I used Lucky Patcher, it just didn't work. But now I find a better method, but it's gonna use Lucky Patcher. But this is actually the best method I could find, and I hope you guys will like it. So let's get started. Alright everybody, we are now in KineMaster, and I'm gonna show you a quick example. So I have one of my projects ready. I'll show you guys what my video project is, but I'm gonna show you only my intro. That's about it. So basically this project is it's a simple video. I mean a 3-minute video, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So first I'm just gonna press share and all this other stuff, right? So basically it's about 194 megabytes because I'm just putting it at a decent bit rate. Because think about it, if you have 720/30, my thing to use that the recommended bit rate could be about maybe, let's say, 9 megabyte to 10 megabyte, because anything beyond that is just overkill. That's what I think about 720p 30. So we're gonna press export, right? So as you can see, it says KineMaster Premium, and it says buy now 0.29. Now why you see this is because of this Lucky Patcher. But let me show you how it's done. So the first thing we have to do is to go and just go straight to Lucky Patcher. So we're just gonna press here. Now the thing about this is that you have to add another check mark to, I think, support billing and level emulation. But first you need root for this to work, or you can just make a modified APK, which you don't have to use root. So all you need to do is just press support patch for in-app and press this as well, and that's about it. And you have to press apply. Now after you press apply, all you need to do is go back putting the lucky patch, and then what happened is when I press buy now, it's gonna put in the in-app purchases tag, and all you need to do is just press yes. Do not check mark any of these. Do not, just press yes, and that's about it. And it's gonna export. Now we're going to see later on the video to see if the watermark is gone. So as you can see, the video that we have exported or rendered is done. So let's see if the watermark is not there. So we're gonna press the play button, and we're just gonna, I don't know, we're gonna try photos, right? And this is what's gonna happen. You see no watermarks at all, because it seems that, I don't know how this works, but I believe that Lucky Patcher just, like, I have no idea how they did it, but it just worked. This is the only hack I found. I thought it wouldn't work, but until I realized that the KineMaster watermark was not there. Remember, the KineMaster watermark used to be on the top right, but it's not. So this is basically a simple solution if you actually need help. And there we go. We actually have no watermarks. Everything looks smooth as butter. I mean, it's 30 FPS, it's stimulated to that, but if you guys don't want any watermarks for your KineMaster, this is the best solution I can have for you. And this can also work for non-rooted phones. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please leave a thumbs up. I hope we can get at least 2 likes for this video. Also, if you want to consider subscribing, you can press the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so you never miss any future videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye everybody.